we're back again, Mr. Fix It. So today I'm here with my brother. Come here, man. Come. Show yourself. So I'm here with my younger brother. This is my younger brother, my last brother. And this is his car, Subaru Impreza 2005. And we're having a gas pump issue. So we are about to change the gas pump. So stick with us, guys, and give us a like, share the video, and everything. So let's get into it. So what we need to use today, guys, we need a drill and a Phillips screwdriver. So my impact drill, my battery with a Phillips bit. Take up the light, guys. I can't see. Easy. So this is the hose. One carry the gas out and one return. This is the one that goes out and this is the return line. And this now is the connection that goes to the gas pump and gas gauge itself. Okay, let's use one flat point. Press the clip down and pull it out. This one you need a pliers to remove this one. And this one is just some clips you squeeze and then you draw off it. Remove this one. In order to free up the hose, you have to use the pliers and rack it. Because when the hose sit down on it for too long, you see that? The hose will easy if it come off now. Just shoot this side of it with the one flat point screwdriver. Yeah, if you take time doing it, because it will damage your hose. I can dry it off. That little stiff seam here, but you work it, it will come off. Ooh. There you go. Have a little gas in the line. You just hold up here. Yeah. Put it one side. This one has a clip. You need to remove the clip. This one's a little trickier to deal with. Alright, there you go. So use the clip. And just put it one side. Now you have some 8 nuts and here the impact drill.
What is now?
This one is in this side. Okay. Drill out right, man. Look at it. Yeah, loose up. Yes. So this one, carry that up. Put this aside.
If it's on code here.
Yeah. The way over there. I'm about to remove the gas pump.
Exactly.
Don't forget. Okay, rock it. Right there. Care about the the clamp and see if I can carry it around.
Uncle.
But are you out of this change long time now?
Space did it. Sometimes I don't want you to change nothing. You want to
come
be
buy a
like
new
that, shake
car.
your.
That's serious thing.
Are you guys fixing the car?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
I'm gonna do that.
Rock him out. There you go. Filter.
Is it filter bag?
Hold on.
Why the filter bag gone?
The filter drop off. A blockage in it, you know? A blockage. Because the filter, see the filter tear off of it. So guys, look at that. The filter and the pump is completely rotten off. There's no filter on it. So I'm certain that it pull up some kind of debris in it at some point in time. So they're having some issue. So I'm about to remove it. Look at that guys, see the debris, that's the rubber, and the rest of the filter sitting at the bottom of the tank. Yep. Yes guys, so this is the pump that we're using. Universal pump, same connection. So we just put it on and plug it up and that's it. Here's a filter, brand new filter. A brand new filter we put in on. There's a pump that we're using. So we're about to change it. Disconnect this one by removing this clip. And we rock it just the same way. Rock it just the same way. Free up the hose so you can remove it. Spin it around. Remove the power connection and just simply pull it off like that. There you go. You're going to use back this hose. So you remove this clip. That's it. Same procedure. Rock it. But be careful, man, you damage the hose. Okay, here's your screwdriver. Take your time and just pry it up on each side. Just gently pry it up. Do a slide up. But be careful. You can pull it off. There you go. Here we are guys, take it out the package. Just going to remove this cap. Grease to put on the head of the gas pump connection so that the rubber slide down over it easily. And you go in there, you try to remove it. I'm just using the tip of my shirt to make sure. There you go. Sure, clean out anything from getting inside. Alright. Then comes the rubber section. Just slide it on just like that. There you go. And then we put back the clip on. Put the clip back on. That's it. And we're about to put the filter on. Now this part requires a clean hand, so I'm going to make sure I wash my hands. Alright guys, so I make sure I wash my hand. And this is a clip that holds the filter on. So I'm just gonna put the filter on. I'm about to put the clip on. There's a clip, guys. Clip goes right over here. There you go, guys. That's it. Put a little grease on it.
Look at the blade inside.
Alright. Slide it on. Slide it up a little bit more. Just set him in place. Then you put your clip back on. What happened, there's supposed to be a piece of rubber right here that the pump sit on, but the rubber completely deteriorate and drop in the tank, so you have to just fit it back like this. Connect the power, and there you go, that's it. Let's go and put it back in. There you go. And turn, and turn. Move this piece of hose here so out of the way, yes. And then we're going to move this clip over. Sorry for my hands in the way, guys, but you know it is. Move this over, yeah. There you go. Screw them up. So guys, we're about to tighten it up. Try to tighten across. And then we pliers. Remove the clamp, put it around here, shoot on the hose. There you go. Slide on easy with when you grease it, no problem at all. The body clamp. There you go. Turn it like that. This one is to push on. There you go. And lock. And that's it. That's it. Connect the power wire. Alright, Van. Get the key. Alright. I'm about to start it, guys.
Started them in the Alright, no fun.
So right this way. issue with your Subaru Impreza. When the engine rev, it can be a lot of stuff that would cause it, but one of the main things to look at is check your return line, and if you rev the vehicle and the return line ain't returning any petrol, that means something is wrong with the pump, so replace the pump and your vehicle is good to go. That's one of the issues. There's a lot more can cause it, but that's one of the main issues you look at. If you're revving your vehicle and whenever time you rev, you notice it drop rev, or if you're driving and you rev it and you find it rev out and cut back, check your gas pump. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel so Mr. Fix It can fix something else. Alright, thank you guys. Bye. Yes guys, so the job is done. Yeah, revving alright. My brother, I go test it now and tell him what I think. Vehicle up and running. Bless.